Hello, I'm Madhu. I'm from Hyderabad. So I'm a software engineer working with Accenture. I have one kid who is in intermediate and she's my wife, Panjani.
I'm also working as a software engineer in Cognizant.
Now I plan to move a villa, so where it's a three-storied building. So I have parents who are elderly, so I need a lift for them to enable them to use all the floors. So when I look at in the market, I found a lot of lifts, but EliteElevators has given me that confidence where I can safely use the elevator for my elderly people. And I shifted very recently and I got installed, and so far it is running very well and I don't have any issues. It's very seamless, it's very safe, and it is easy to operate by anyone in the home. Of its flexibility, I mean, there is no restriction on the shaft size, whether if you have a machine room or machine-less room. So all those things have been addressed. It's a very tailor-made lift which can be retrofitted in any condition, site condition. And the other thing for choosing this lift is it runs on single phase. I think where no elevator is built on a single phase supply, so which I felt very safe and complying to the global standards. So Elite has done a wonderful job in coming up with this innovative product. The best part of this lift is the elegance. I mean, it looks very rich, very robust, I mean, very sturdy, and even the travel experience is very good. Yeah, the installation, the whole process of installation is very seamless. So before having my lift, I think my parents who are elderly, they used to have difficulty in moving from one floor to the other. But with the arrival of this lift, I think that part of challenge, I mean, where they will be able to move from one floor to the other floor without any difficulties. So that has changed the entire part of my life. So now they are able to use this without any fear, and they are able to access all the floors after the installation of this lift. If there is any power failure, there is a feature which will take you to the ground floor and it will land safely. I mean, that will give a lot of convenience and comfort when we travel in the lift, and that also comforts my parents basically, so they can use the lift without any fear.